Hey, good morning, traders. Tuesday, December 6th, 9:14 a.m. Here are your morning ideas. Okay, so I really could not have been any more wrong yesterday about what I was looking for. We were talking about the market probably trying to go back to 4066 before making a decision. It didn't do anything of the sort. You can see here, this is the smaller picture, the 15-minute. We open around here, and we just kind of go straight down. And this is a really nasty profile, trendy profile. Again, couldn't have been any more wrong about what we did yesterday. Although, we're still kind of hanging. We had some support here at 4010 for a while. And then we kind of pushed through and we pulled right back to it basically at the end of the day yesterday. And then we've been balancing there overnight. So if we go back to the big picture, where does that leave us? Big picture, we're trying to get back into this area now, right? So we are back into this area. I would say that 4,000, I mean, we're below that 4010. If we don't get buying right off of the open today, I would expect to see 39.50. It'll probably be ugly and choppy as when we're in these thick areas. What the market does is it just bounces around like crazy, and it's very difficult to kind of like pick the direction because it looks like it's trending down, then it'll be trending up, and then by the end of the day, it'll be down here at 39.50. But it got there in a really chopped kind of fashion. Now, we have this area down here again where the news broke of the the jobs report was over here. This was, back last week. I think that this one was it the CPI number? I forget which one it was, but it was news based. Based on the interest rates and all of this stuff kind of intertwines. We talked about that last week. However, we have not been back there since this happened. This is down here, I think, at 30 in the 39.50 area. So I would expect to see if the market starts chopping around and we get we stay below 40.10 early on, that we'll likely see 39.50. On the top side, I think it's a little bit harder to say because we haven't traded a whole lot up there. I mean, if I included all of this, it would probably look somewhat, yeah. So I wasn't expecting to see a lot of volume up there. If you see when I include all of that stuff, it still looks like the most of the trading is done down here in the 39.70 range, which is pretty close to this 39.50, and it looks like a bottom heavy profile. When we see profiles like this, what ends up happening usually is the profile will end up looking like this, which means that the market's comes down to 39.50, chop, 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 39.50, and then squeezes through and then pulls back, and that leaves behind more balanced looking profile. This looks very bottom heavy to me right now. And I think from the way this looks to me, I think that it looks, rather bleak for today and tomorrow. If we don't push right off of the open, I believe we see 39.50 and probably below. Okay. So that's it for today. We've got, if you guys didn't see yesterday, we're extending we're giving more stuff away in the extension of the Barstool Arizona Bowl. So if you like money, Arizona, football, any of those three things, be sure to check that out. That will end on the 17th of December. And we're also adding some community stuff for people to come in and learn how to trade kind of for free. And look for that to be coming out. I'm going to be working on, compiling all of that stuff in the next couple of days, whether you're a beginner, advanced, somewhere in the middle. Some pretty cool stuff rolling out. So look for that. And we'll talk to you guys then, and I'll watch for some more videos. Make sure you you follow us, because I'm going to be putting out these videos, and then you'll be notified when those videos release. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you soon.